Karen Reed continues media manipulation. Karen Reed's legal defense team continued their manipulation of the public on Wednesday as they announced that a fourth juror had come forward to state that the jury had decided that Reed was not guilty of second-degree murder, but that the decision was not included in the verdict for the trial. Technically, even if it were true, the case resulted in a hung jury and was not included in the official verdict, so it shouldn't count. However, as the Commonwealth has announced that they'll be retrying Reed on all three of the charges, her defense team is pushing for dropping the two charges that they claim the jury acquitted her on. In a media blitz that started with articles on TMZ and Fox News to support their filing, the defense has started a campaign to sway public opinion that Reed is somehow experiencing double jeopardy, as she was found innocent on the charges by the jury, though these decisions were not included in the verdict. The defense has also offered no proof or affidavits from the jurors that they claim to have talked to, nor have any of the jurors stepped forward to make the same allegations to the press. However, the word-of-mouth campaign has been apparently carefully constructed to both spread the rumor and taint the juror pool in the upcoming trial. This is because the notion that Reed is innocent, because the jury said so, has some power to it. The power was on display during the press conference after Aiden Turtleboy Kearney's latest court hearing for charges that he violated a protection order against an ex-girlfriend on Thursday. Kearney released the following statement on Twitter before the hearing. "Just a reminder that today I have court in Dedham District at 9, then across the street at Superior at 2. There's no buffer zone and the courtroom is open to the public. This morning's a hearing about the violation of the restraining order with a fake victim. This afternoon is the 10 witness intimidation felonies with the Proctors and McDalberts. A Rule 17 motion has been filed for the phones, and I expect a spicy bradle today. Hope to see some turtle riders there. Remember, this is only happening to me because of my activism and journalism, exposing corruption in the state police and Norfolk County DA's office." Both Kearney and his attorney Tim Bradle referenced the Karen Reed case multiple times during the press conference and said that the protection order was used to hinder his free speech in covering the Karen Reed case. The men then addressed the jurors coming forward, with Bradle insisting that the jury be allowed to come forward as a group and render their supposed decision that Reed was innocent of second-degree murder. Kearney insisted that his charges of witness intimidation were also hampering his freedom to report on the Karen Reed trial. He vowed that he would be found innocent of the charges of witness intimidation, picketing, and conspiracy. Today's hearing for the alleged protective order violation resulted in another continuance. Kearney has a pretrial hearing for the witness intimidation, conspiracy, and picketing charges later this day.